So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to get a lot of dice here in Monopoly Go. Let's step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in Monopoly Go, you're familiar that you need dice to play the game. So basically to get a lot of free dice, all you have to do is, my first step is going to your store, scrolling to the very right, and you'll get a free gift every 8 hours and you'll receive dice there. You can also check out some deals right here. Sometimes they give out free Monopoly Go cards and dices. So the next one is actually going here to your events. By participating, you can get up to 7,000 dices and even a card pack, which is very good. Here you can also go to your Fortune Raiders event right now. So you can actually unlock some pretty cool rewards in every milestone. So you'll get about 300 to 1,000 dices per open. So there you go guys, that is how you get a lot of free dices here in Monopoly Go. I hope you like this video and see you again next time.